Hair loss or baldness doesn't have to be permanent. There are natural ways to stimulate hair growth in both men and women, and age doesn't matter. Today we're going to explore some of the most effective home remedies, natural treatments, and medications that can truly make a difference, along with when and how to use them. But first, something crucial. Not all hair loss is the same. You need to watch out for warning signs because sometimes hair loss is a symptom of something deeper, like a hidden illness, a hormonal imbalance, or a nutritional deficiency. In rare cases, it could even point to something serious. So in this video, we'll cover everything you need to know. What causes hair loss? How can baldness be reversed naturally in both men and women? And which treatments are truly effective? Hair loss, also known as alopecia, affects nearly 50% of men and up to 30% of women at some point in life, and it can happen at any age. The key is understanding the underlying cause because that's how you choose the right treatment. Hair loss can be triggered by genetic factors, hormonal imbalances like thyroid problems, side effects of medications, fungal infections on the scalp, stress, immune system issues, and nutritional deficiencies. Let's look at each of these in more detail. No matter what the cause is, there's good news. Many natural methods can improve hair growth. But remember, hair loss is not always just a part of aging. You should always look deeper and find the real cause. For instance, androgenic alopecia, a common form of hair loss, affects men usually after age 40, but can also appear in younger men and postmenopausal women. It's believed to be linked to hormonal changes and genetic predisposition. In younger women, hair loss may signal polycystic ovary syndrome, POS. This condition often comes with other symptoms like excess facial hair, obesity, insulin resistance, and irregular periods. Hair loss can also be a warning sign of iron deficiency, especially in younger women, chronic infections such as syphilis, autoimmune diseases like lupus, thyroid disorders, side effects from medications like blood pressure meds e.g. captopril, cholesterol-lowering drugs, lithium and colchicine. The location of the hair loss can give clues. Thyroid problems often lead to thinning hair in the center of the scalp. Immune-related diseases and fungal infections can cause round patches of hair loss with redness and itching. Androgenic alopecia affects the crown and temples, often sparing the sides. What about stress? Yes, it plays a role. High levels of cortisol, our stress hormone, can cause diffuse hair loss all over the head. This became especially common during the COVID-19 pandemic. Thankfully, stress-related hair loss is often temporary. With better sleep, exercise, and relaxation techniques like meditation or prayer, your hair can grow back. But be patient. Hair regrowth can take 2 to 3 months. Now let's talk about vitamins and supplements. The most important nutrients for hair growth are zinc, selenium, B vitamins, especially biotin, vitamin D. These supplements can help only if you're deficient. For example, iron deficiency is common in women with heavy menstrual cycles or during pregnancy. It can even result from hidden internal bleeding. Low ferritin levels in your blood is a clear sign of iron deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency is also a big one. You can naturally boost it through safe sun exposure, 20 to 30 minutes a day, or with supplements if necessary. This also strengthens your immune system. A lack of zinc or selenium may lead to patchy hair loss. While rare, it's possible in people with a poor diet. Make sure to eat a variety of foods to avoid this. Biotin, a B vitamin, is often marketed as a miracle solution for hair growth. But if you already eat a balanced diet rich in meat, veggies, eggs, and dairy, supplements are probably unnecessary. Before spending money on supplements, make sure you actually need them. Hair loss might be caused by something completely different, like a hormonal imbalance, an autoimmune issue, or iron deficiency. The best strategy is getting a proper diagnosis first. Let's move on to natural treatments and home remedies. Hair loss is tricky not because it's dangerous, but because diagnosing it can be complex. A quick search online will show dozens of so-called miracle cures, but be cautious. There's a saying in medicine: if there are too many treatments for one problem, it usually means few of them actually work. Don't waste your time or money. However, one natural remedy that has shown promising results is rosemary oil. A study involving people with androgenic alopecia found that using rosemary oil daily for 6 months had effects similar to using 2% minoxidil, a well-known medical treatment. Still, 2% minoxidil is rarely used now. The 5% version, often combined with finasteride, is much more effective. If you try these treatments, you'll need to give them at least 6 to 12 months to see results. Important: always consult a healthcare provider before starting any medication. Here are some everyday habits and hair care tips to protect your hair. Avoid hot showers and high-heat styling tools. Don't brush wet hair aggressively. Use wide tooth combs to reduce breakage. Don't wash your hair every day. 3 to 4 times a week is enough. Avoid tight hairstyles that pull on the hair. If you smoke, consider quitting. It can make a real difference. Now let's boost your hair from the inside out with the right foods. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. Omega-3 rich foods like salmon, sardines, chia seeds, flax seeds, and avocado eggs, especially free-range eggs. Zinc and selenium sources like oysters, red meat, sunflower seeds, and Brazil nuts. Iron-rich foods such as leafy greens, beans, and lean red meat. Avoid ultra-processed foods, excessive sugar, refined oils like sunflower or soybean, and replace them with extra virgin olive oil. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about natural remedies and health tips, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. We regularly share valuable content to help you take care of your body the natural way. Your health is in your hands. Stay informed, stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.